Day in and day out, more trees are being cut down and toxic particles are being deposited through our atmosphere. Imagine our future with a fake environment due to humans taking the environment for granted. Humans have contributed to the environmental issues through deforestation and car emissions.
Garbage, you can see there's a lot of things that can be recycled in it. A lot of cardboard, even a lot of aluminum cans, bottles, plastic. A lot of that stuff could have been recycled. Unfortunately, because of the way the legislation is, once something hits this floor, it actually becomes municipal solid waste.
After extensive research, we believe that people should stop the exploitation of resources and protect and preserve the environment. There should be more laws in place to stop this issue from becoming much worse than it already is. I would like to inform you of the effects of deforestation, how the environment influences where we live, and why we should search for alternative fuels.
If you look at the resource aspect of recycling, it is quite important. All plastics are made from oil, or the vast majority of plastics come from oil. And so at some point, we're not going to have that much oil anymore to be making plastics. So if we recover that resource, it's a big deal. Aluminum is one of the best things to recycle because it's so environmentally detrimental to local areas to mine the bauxite where aluminum comes from. And so by recycling aluminum, you don't have to pull any more out of the ground, which is a very nasty process, actually. Some of the bauxite mines around the world are some of the most polluted places on the planet.
Deforestation around the world has caused widespread extinction through habitat destruction. 1.6 billion people rely on the benefits that forests offer. 17% of the Amazon rainforest has been lost due to deforestation. The destruction through deforestation can affect where we live as well as desertification.
The environment influences where we live and develop today. Cities have settled near water for more than 1,000 years, and for the necessities water offers. Desertification can cause less cities to flourish and can cause famines throughout the area. Desertification can be linked to alternative resources throughout the country.
As we use energy in our daily life, the resources used to make it are depleting, which is all the more reason to find alternative resources and fuels. Biomass fuel is our best chance at alternative fuel source because it is very plentiful and is produced from crops and biodegradable resources. Wind, solar, and geothermal are all forms of renewable and reliable alternative resources that have been researched and are being used in small quantities today. Another form of renewable, non-polluting fuel is hydrogen. Alternative fuels can help the solution to environmental conservation. On the other hand, there are many natural causes for the environmental issues we are facing today.
Even though some of the problems are natural causes, 90% of the issues are caused by humans. To keep the Earth healthy, we need to do our part in protecting the world from our own unhealthy actions.
Deforestation causes a wide amount of environmental destruction. Desertification of land affects the area we live and develop. Alternative fuels can stop the large amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere as well. While we search for a solution to this monumental issue, the planet keeps fading away in the shadow of man.